In this crypto video, we will talk about the technical analysis of Titano Finance, and I am talking about the pair of Titano slash wrapped BNB. First of all, listen what I am saying, that by seeing the current market condition, okay, of Titano Finance, what I will recommend you to sell this crypto, okay, for today, as today is 11 October 2022, and on buying and selling, what I will recommend you to sell this crypto, as selling this crypto today will be the great beneficial for you. Buying and selling depends upon you, but if you want my opinion, for today I will recommend you to sell this crypto. Talking about Titano Finance, and by seeing the current market condition, today selling this crypto will be the great beneficial for you. So this is the video related to Titano Finance, and near future this crypto will cross $1 according to crypto expert who have been related to the crypto and know about something related to crypto. According to expert, near future this crypto will cross $1, and by seeing the current market conditions, selling will be the great advantage for you. By the way, buying and selling depends upon you, and investment in any crypto depends upon you. Before investment, do a proper crypto market research.